So hello, welcome. Today we are going to learn a chapter from the chemistry, which name is chemical bonding. So we are going to start from the second chapter of ICC chemistry book, chemical bonding. So first of all, we must know what is the meaning of the term chemical bond, or chemical bonding. What is it? So it's nothing but it is the property of different from the combining atoms. So two atoms are combined. So suppose that this is atom number 1 plus atom 2. So what it will form? It will form a molecule. Two atoms are combined to form a molecule. So this is only known as chemical bonding. The property of combining of atoms to form a molecule, or combining of more than molecules of two different elements to form a compound, that is called chemical bonding, or forming the combining the atoms of first element, second element. So both will be combined to form one molecule, and that is called chemical bonding. Okay, so next topic is types of chemical bonding. How many types of chemical bonding are there? Usually it is given three types of chemical bonding. Three types of chemical bonding. So what is the first one? Electrovalent bonding. So first we will know the name of electrovalent bond. Second, covalent bond. And at last we will learn coordinate bond. We have been learning this electrovalent and covalent, but first time we are going to learn coordinate bonding or coordinate bond. Okay, so let us begin. First topic, electrovalent bond or electrovalent bond. So what is happening in this electrovalent, or it is also known as, first of all you must know the other name of electrovalent bond is ionic bond. So first of all, what is the meaning of this? In this, the atoms will combine by complete transfer of one or more electrons from one atom to the other atom. So for suppose this is atom 1, this is atom 2. So this both will have transfer of electrons. So this both will have a transfer of electrons, and by transferring the electron they will form one bond, and that is known as electrovalent or ionic bond. So what is electrovalent bond? First of all, it is a transfer of one or more electrons from one atom to the another atom. So this is called electrovalent bond. So let us take example from our book, sodium chloride. So suppose here sodium, what is the atomic number of sodium? 11. So what will be the configuration? 2 comma 8 comma 1. So what is extra electron? Sodium has one extra electron. Okay, let us for chlorine, how much? 17. So what will be the configuration? 2 8 7. So it outermost have 7. So it has one extra, it has one less. So if it will give one, it will become octet. If it will gain one, it will become octet. So what will happen? Sodium will transfer one electron to chlorine. So by transferring, what will happen? Sodium will lose one electron. This cell will be cancelled. It will lose electron, and now the configuration will be 2 comma 8. So it will be octet. And chlorine also has 7 electron. If it will gain one, what will happen? At the outermost cell it will also have 8. So it will also become octet and stable. So by transferring one electron, they both are becoming stable or have a stable configuration. So this bond is known as ionic bond. And what is happening? Sodium is transferring, donating on one electron. So it has positive ion, positive charge, and it is accepting or gaining. Chlorine is getting, so it will have minus charge. So this is the one of the example of sodium chloride. And if you'll take it for Lewis dot structure, then let us take sodium. How much? One dot, one extra at element or electron. Sorry. Chlorine, how much in the outermost cell? 7, 2, 4, 6, 1, 7. So what will happen? This will transfer here, and finally it will have one more. So totally how much? 2, 4, 6, 8. Totally 8 electrons. So this is first example of an electrovalent or ionic bond. Let us take one more example of magnesium chloride, or we can take for calcium oxide. Let us take for calcium. Calcium atomic number is 20. So what will be the configuration? 2, 8, 8, 2. Okay. And then oxygen. Oxygen 2, 6, because it has atomic number 8 to 2, so it has to extract, it has to become octet, so it has to lose 2 electron, and this has 6. It must gain 2 electron so that it will become octet. So what will happen? Very good. 2 electron 2 electron will be transferred from calcium to oxygen. See, by transferring 2 electron, it will lose 2 electron. So calcium will also become octet, and by gaining 2 electron, oxygen will also become octet. So by doing this, calcium oxide, a compound will be formed, calcium oxide, and this have which bond? Ionic bond. If you will take electron dot structure, then it has 2 plus oxygen has 6. So if it will transfer 2 electron to, so what it will have? 8 electron in the outermost cell, so they both will become octet. So this is known as what? Which bond? Electrovalent bond or ionic bond. And next is electrovalency. It is very much related to this term only, electrovalency. So it is nothing but number of electrons lost or gained during what? During ionic bond or electrovalent bond. So during this bond, ionic bond or electrovalent bond, how much electron an atom is donating or giving or transferring, that will be known as electrovalency. So what is electrovalency? The number of electrons lost or gained by an atom is known as what? Electrovalency. Next, what is next? Let us see some of the characteristics of electrovalent compounds. What is the physical state? It will be closely packed structure.